In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Wix website on a blank template 2026 guide. We're starting from zero, so you have complete creative control, and I'll walk you through each click so nothing feels confusing. First, head to your Wix account and open the Sites area. This is where all your projects live. Look for the Create New Site button and select it. This action spins up a brand new workspace for you. If you're working with multiple sites, double-check you're in the correct workspace before you proceed. A quick tip: keep a clear naming convention in mind for your projects so you can spot them easily later. Next, choose Start from a Blank Canvas. This option bypasses presets and templates so you can design freely. You might see it called Blank Canvas or Blank Template depending on the interface, but the idea is the same. You're opening a clean slate with no pre-styled sections. Confirm the selection to enter the editor. Now, let's build on that blank template. Begin by setting the foundation. Add a header and a footer so your navigation and key info stay consistent across pages. In the editor, use the Add panel to bring in elements like text, images, shapes, and buttons. Drag elements onto the canvas and use the Smart Guides to align them so everything looks polished. Establish your site's structure with clear sections: a hero area at the top, followed by content blocks for services, about, testimonials, and a contact prompt. Consistency matters, so set your global theme early. Choose your brand colors and fonts in the Site Styles panel so every new element automatically follows your look. For text, define headings and paragraph styles first, then write concise, scannable copy. For visuals, upload images to your media library and use high-resolution files optimized for web. Crop and adjust within the editor to maintain a balanced layout. Buttons should be clear and action-oriented. Link them to relevant pages, anchors on the same page, or external URLs as needed. Add and organize pages in the Pages panel. Rename each page clearly, set your home page, and make sure your header menu is connected to those pages so navigation updates automatically. As you place elements, keep accessibility in mind. Use proper heading hierarchy, sufficient color contrast, and descriptive alt text for images. Before you wrap up, switch to tablet and mobile views to fine-tune spacing and font sizes. The editor will adapt layouts, but a quick manual pass keeps everything crisp. Save your work often and use Preview to test interactions, links, and scrolling behavior. With your blank canvas structured, styled, and responsive ready, you've built a solid foundation to continue expanding your site confidently.